Hey, what's Gucci, everybody? Your boy Sneak back with another video, man. And today I'm gonna be installing this Magpull M-Lock hand stop kit. If I get that to focus, there we go. I'm gonna be installing this today. But you know, I took this out the box the other day when I got this, and I was lining it up, you know, on the bottom of my rail, and I just had an idea to do something, and I'm gonna show y'all why right quick. So if you don't know, I'll move that out the way right quick. If you don't know, when you get this, you pretty much got two different options when it comes to installing this. All right, so you can either put the the rear and your forward end on this 3-section piece right here, and you'll have your screws going through there, and you put this piece on there and have your screw going through there, and you'll kind of put it on your rail where you want to. If I can even get this lined up, my goodness. Hold on. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna get this lined up just so y'all can see this. Now y'all can see that's kind of a gives you a view of how it would mount, how it would be. Now the problem with that for me is and it's not bolted in. I just want to show y'all this right quick. When I try to, when I pick this up to hold this, and when I put this to my shoulder, it leaves my hand in a very awkward position. I don't usually grab my weapon like this. I usually, have my hand more wrapped around and twisted. But the problem with that is my hand won't fit in between these in, a comfortable position. And before I really start messing with this, sorry y'all, take that out, show y'all clear. So usually when I grab my rail on the underside, I'm usually like this. So that's everything that's on the underside. Now when I compare that to the length that's in between here, it's not enough. You know what I mean? I need a little bit more space. So and we'll talk about real quick the second way to mount this. The second way to mount this is to actually put this this piece in between. This is a it's the rail cover that they have. It's the same thing as the rail cover. So you put this in, and you'll put the lock as a tab that goes in the middle that locks it in place, and then you'll screw these in, and that makes it a little bit more slim because this piece is thick, so it makes it stick out a little bit. So I was thinking, this is the exact same thing as this. There you go. So it's the exact same thing. Well, it is one of these pieces, the M-Lock Type 2 rail cover. So my idea is so instead of just having one piece in between these two end pieces, to stretch it out like that, and have two pieces. You know, stretch it out, it'll provide enough length so that I can grab my handguard comfortably in, you know, the way that I usually do. So this is gonna be a you know, I just want to show y'all this. If anybody, you know, if you line this up on your rail initially and you grip your grip your hand guard, you know, a little bit not necessarily different, but if the way that you comfortably and normally grip your hand guard is, you know, similar to mine, where you don't really, you know, come in directly from the side like that, you know, you kind of come in at an angle and you got more of your hand resting on the bottom of your hand guard, you're gonna need a little bit more space. Or if you just got a you know, a bigger hand in general, you may need a little bit more space. So I'm gonna you know, put two in between this and show y'all that, show y'all how it's doing. Like I said, I'm just putting this out there as an idea to you guys. If anybody else want to do this, you know what I mean, maybe try this out. And hey, you know, pretty much all you need to do is, when you buy the one of the hand stops, you need to go ahead and get a box of the rail covers as well. Now I got 2 boxes of these rail covers because I'm actually gonna you know, I'm just gonna take one piece out of this and put it towards that, but I'm actually gonna be putting rail covers on there soon, you know, as like a heat shield type deal, you know what I mean, for when I'm shooting this. So I'm gonna put these on there and show y'all how it's looking. Alright y'all, so I got my first piece on. I didn't show it, but if y'all do need to know how to put an attachment on the M-LOK rail, I'm gonna be making another video specifically where I, you know, just showed y'all how to do that right quick. So after I put that out, I'll link that below, you know what I'm saying. So go below if you need to know how to put it on the M-LOK rail. You actually need to, you know, see it done. But that's my back piece on. So after that, I'm gonna just come and, you know, pretty much these other pieces are easy. You just put that in, you know, snap it in, take the middle section and that'll lock it into place. Boom. And as you're doing this, you know, if you need to kind of get a feel for how much you're actually gonna need, then that's why you start with your back piece, and then you just, you know, build up and you go forward and see how long you actually gonna need it. I kind of measured it out for myself. I'm pretty certain that I want 2 of these sections in the middle. So snap my second section in and lock it into place. And make sure those are in there good. And these are removable as well. All of this stuff is, that's what these little indentions for. They actually made it so you can use the tip of a bullet and pry it out, or you can use something else that's able to fit in there and pry it out as well. So that's the back end with 2 sections. So at that point, you know, you probably want to put it up and, you know, make sure that it'll fit everything. You can just take that third piece without screwing it in yet, and, you know, see, that's what it's going to end up looking like. And when I put that up, that feels nice. That gives me enough space, and it actually fits perfect because I'm actually able to wedge my hand in there and, you know, have it nice and sturdy. So that's what I'm gonna end up going with. I'm gonna put this last piece on and show y'all what it's looking like. Alright y'all, so this is what we end up getting at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? We got the M-LOK Handstop with an added rail cover section, and I'm gonna do this from the side. You know, y'all can see I got, it fits perfectly for my hand. So this is just a mod for y'all, you know what I'm saying, for the hands, for the Magpull M-LOK Handstop. You know, if you I would say you know, don't put it on just yet, kind of line it up and see if what comes with it, you know, just that 3 section will work for you for the Handstop. And if not, a good mod you can do is just go ahead and buy one of these boxes of the type 2 rail covers, because that's the exact same piece that they got, the extra piece that they got in the Handstop kit, and see if that stretches it out enough for your hand to be able to fit. Like I said, for if you you know, grip your hand guard at an angle or anything like that, or if you just got big hands, try that out. Just a mod for y'all to, you know what I'm saying, hopefully it'll work for you, because it worked for me. So that's it for this video, y'all. Go ahead and leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out for now. Squad.